In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Smartsheet. We'll start on the home page, set up a simple sheet from scratch, add a date column, enter a date, and then switch into calendar view so you can see your schedule laid out visually. The key idea is that calendar view pulls its events from date type columns, so getting that part right is essential. From the Smartsheet home screen, begin by selecting Start a New Project, Program, or Process. You'll see options that showcase templates by role and use case. Templates can be great, but to keep things simple and flexible, choose to start from scratch. When prompted for the starting point, pick a new workspace so your files stay organized in one place as you build out your calendar and any related sheets. Next, select Table. This creates a standard grid sheet, which is the fastest way to add the date information that your calendar will use. Once your table opens, add a new column by clicking the plus sign at the far right of your columns. When the column settings panel appears, set the column type to date. Give the column a clear descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. And if it helps your team, add a short column description. Then click Apply to save those settings. If you plan to track more than one kind of date, such as a due date and a review date, you can add another date column the same way by clicking the plus sign again and repeating the process. For this walkthrough, one date column is enough to get your calendar working. Now, click into a row under your new date column and choose a date from the date picker. It helps to add at least one date so you can immediately confirm that your calendar is pulling in data. At the top of the sheet, you'll see the current view labeled as Table. Click that label to open the view switcher, then choose Calendar. Smartsheet will translate the dates from your sheet into calendar entries automatically. You can browse month by month and verify that the date you entered appears on the correct day. If you don't see an item, double check that the column type is set to date and that a valid date is entered in at least one row. That's the foundation calendar view relies on. From here, you can continue building out your sheet with more rows and dates, and your calendar will update as you go. That's it. You've created a calendar in Smartsheet by starting from scratch, adding a date column, entering a date, and switching to calendar view.